Hello everyone, back again here. Today we got Bowman High Tech. This is a one box, one pack product, 10 cards per pack. The big draw here is the 4 on-card autos that you're gonna get out of each one of these boxes. These boxes can be found, they're around $90 a box. And this is Bowman product, so it's going to be mostly prospects, rookies, and then if you want the veterans, they're gonna have a Topps High Tech will be coming out later this year. But this is mainly rookies and prospects right here. So we got a one box hitter right here. Let's see what we can get. I've seen all of the big rookies in this have prospect cards and not rookie logo cards. So we'll see what we got here. One pack. Of course, many different sorts of variations in here. And these are all sort of the plastic, I don't know the exact term that you would call these, but the clear, kind of clear acetate, see-through kind of cards. Very cool looking cards. Here we go. Helped my hometown Tulsa Drillers win the AA Texas League Championship. Right here, Keibert Ruiz. Big Dodgers prospect, excuse me. Very nice. Adam Hazley. Phillies prospect. Oh, this is a nice one right here. Oh, there's our autos coming up. We'll hold off on those for a second. Clint Frazier, rookie. 90 out of 99. Very cool. All right, we'll go from the back. Save the autos for last. Kiston Hiura. Trying to get the focus in here. Michael Baez, green, $49.99. Padres, very cool. Okay, we're down to the last 4 cards, so these are going to be our autos. Oh, wow. There we go. Now that's one of the bigger ones right there. 36 out of 50 looks to be a gold. Luis Robert, big time. White Sox prospect right here. That's a very nice one. Wow, just out of a single box there, I wasn't really expecting to hit anything too major. But I think that qualifies. Sixto Sanchez, Phillies. It's our second auto. Third auto, Michael Baez. I think he's about in every box. It looks like boxes I've seen open, he's been in quite a few. So we got the green of him and the auto. Last auto, Keston Hiura. Brewers, second baseman. Okay, not bad. We got the Frazier, number to 99. It's a cool looking card. An insert of some sort, I'm not exactly sure. But we got the big hit right here, one of the top prospects in the game, numbered out of 50. Luis Robert auto card. Very nice. So, can't do too much better than that out of just a one box break. I'm pretty pleased with that. Pretty neat little set. You know, if you're into the prospects, the rookies, there's a chance to get them. The 4 on-card autos, I mean, you cannot beat it for the price point on this, $90. A $90 box, that's usually going to be maybe a 1 auto per box type of deal. So 10 cards, you can get it for you can probably find them for $85 if you look hard enough. But 4 guaranteed autos, not a bad little deal there. So there you go. There's our break for today. Thank you for watching.